How to create our first project in Scratch. Hello, welcome to the video of Rato ADCC. In this video we're going to learn how to create our first project in Scratch. With our account login done, we will click on Create. Here we have our stage, where our animation will be displayed, and on the left side we have the blocks palette called Code, which contains various programming blocks that we can use to create our projects. Before we start working on our project, let's talk about the blocks palette and the functions of specific sections. The dark blue section, that is called Motion, controls the position of our avatar. The purple section, Looks, determines the appearance of our avatar. The pink section, Sound, is all about adjusting sounds. In the yellow section, Events, we have conditions for our code to work. The orange section below, Control, is associated with frequency of repeating certain actions. The blue section, Sensing, is associated with controlling the avatar and action with the keyboard and mouse pointer. We use the green section called Operators for mathematical equations. The orange section, Variables, is for controlling the variables. In the pink section, My Blocks, we can make our own blocks. Then we have a bookmark called Costumes, where we can change the appearance of our avatar. Another bookmark, Sounds, is for choosing or recording or uploading the sounds we want to use for our project. Below the stage we've got a panel with different adjustments, such as the position, size and direction of the avatar. To start, let's delete the existing cat sprite. We click on Costumes and then right-click on the cat sprite and select Delete from the menu. Now we can add our own sprite. We will click on the Choose a Sprite from Library button to select a sprite from the library. We can choose any sprite we like, such as an animal, a person, or even an object. For this tutorial, let's choose a dog sprite. Once we've selected our sprite, we will click on it to add it to the stage. Now, let's start coding our animation. We'll make the dog move across the screen. To do this, we need to drag and connect blocks from the motion category in the blocks palette. We will drag the When Green Flag Clicked block and attach it to the scripts area. This block will start our animation when we click the green flag. Now, let's add the blocks to make the dog move. We'll drag the Go to X, Y block and attach it below the When Green Flag Clicked block. We'll set the X value to -240 and the Y value to 0. This will position the dog sprite on the left side of the screen. Next we will drag the Glide Sex to X, Y block and attach it below the previous block. We'll set the duration to 2 seconds and the X value to 240. We'll leave the Y value as it is. We have our code to make the dog move across the screen. Now let's test it. We'll click on the green flag above the stage and watch the dog glide smoothly from left to right. We've successfully created our first animation in Scratch. Now let's add a sound effect to make it more interesting. We'll click on the sound category in the blocks palette and drag the play sound until done below the glide block. We can choose any sound from the library or even record our own. We will select the sound that we like and attach it to the block. Now, when the dog glides across the screen, the sound will play simultaneously. Let's test it by clicking the green flag again. I hope you liked this video. For more videos about Scratch and other programs, check our channel. Thanks for watching.